Welcome back to the Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. I am in the planing process, as you can see. I got the planer set up. I have been planing my boards, my 8-foot boards. I have got all of that piled on, and I have about 4 or 5 lifts there on that second pile. I'm trying to get this area cleared out where the basement's going to be, and so I want to get all of these piles run through the planer. And I've got a couple lifts right here on ready to go through. I have kind of selecting certain things out of the lumber as I'm working through it. For example, this is all my 3.5 inch stock and smaller, so most like 3.5 down to 2.5. This is going to be the strapping for my ceilings. I think I've got just about enough. Of course, I still have that stack over there to plane, and it's got some in it as well. And then this is just what I'm going to classify as molding, trim, boards and whatnot. I've got them taken down to about 13/16 of an inch strong, or 3/4 strong. And as you can see, I've got probably 30 lifts there right now. Now this needs to be run through and dipped, which is something I'm going to set up and do. Get my dipping trough fixed. That's for another video. But I thought I'd bring you along for the noisy process of running a few of these through the planer. Well, it's the end of the day. Sorry, I got working here and forgot to film. I have now completed both of those stacks of lumber. They're all planed out. These were the offcuts I got off of another property last fall, that section right there. So I've got a lot of 12-inch wide boards, 10-inch wide boards, just really nice pine boards that I'm going to use for trims. And so the only thing I have left as far as in the 8-foot stuff, as I noted before, is that stack of lumber. I did a check on it. Other than the boards, the last few boards I did last week, most of those are running 12% or so. So I think I'm going to, as far as moisture content, I think I'm going to go ahead and run those through while I'm at it and have the 8-foot boards done. And that will just leave my 16s, 12s, and that stack there. I've got a couple small stacks as well, 4-foot stuff. But anyway, 2 stacks are gone. Got 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 left over here. So, this is where the basement's going. So, I'm picking away at it. Anyway, my battery's flashing. As always, I appreciate you joining me. If you would, please like and subscribe. I'll try to do another video on using my planer as an edger. I've done one like that last year, but this one I've actually modified a bit. So anyway, be looking for that video coming out hopefully in the next few days. Until then, as always, you have a great day.